How to withdraw money from Gocrypto. In this video, I will show you how to successfully cash out your funds step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Gocrypto app or go to the official website and log into your account. Step 2. From the dashboard, click on the wallet or funds section to view your crypto balances. Step 3. Choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 4. Click on the withdraw or send button next to the asset. Step 5. Paste the receiving wallet address. This can be from your personal wallet or an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Trust Wallet. Step 6. Enter the withdrawal amount and double check the address and network. Always make sure that it's correct. The chain can be like ERC20 or BEP20. Step 7. Confirm the transaction and enter your 2FA code if required. Step 8. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, and this can take a few minutes depending on the network congestions. That's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.